Hey hustlers, welcome back to Hustle Tech Daily, your go-to channel for real, beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI and technology. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week I share real side hustles you can start right now using free tools and smart tech. The world is changing fast and AI is at the forefront of that revolution. But here's the secret most people miss. You don't need to be a tech genius or a coder to profit from it. You just need the right strategy and the right tools. And that's exactly what we're covering today. I'm revealing 5 AI side hustles perfect for beginners in 2025. No coding, no big investment, and no prior experience needed. These are practical, actionable ideas you can start this week. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in. First up, and probably the easiest to start, is AI content creation. Think about it. Every single business, from the local coffee shop to massive global brands, needs content. They need blog posts to rank on Google, YouTube scripts for their videos, social media captions to engage their audience, and email newsletters to sell their products. The demand is endless, but creating high-quality content consistently is time-consuming and expensive. That's where you come in. Using amazing AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or even the free version of Canva's Magic Write, you can become a content-generating machine. You can help businesses create high-quality blog articles in a fraction of the time it would take to write them from scratch. You can craft compelling YouTube video scripts or generate a month's worth of social media posts in a single afternoon. The key here is not just to copy and paste what the AI gives you. The real value is in the human touch. You'll use the AI to generate the first draft. Then you'll edit, refine, and add your own unique voice or brand-specific details to make it perfect. To get started, head over to freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Don't try to offer everything at once. Start with a very specific microservice. For example, your gig could be, I will write 3 engaging social media posts using AI for your business, or I will create a catchy YouTube description with ChatGPT to boost your views. You can charge a small amount at first, maybe $5 to $20 per project, to build up your portfolio and get those crucial 5-star reviews. Once you have some social proof, you can increase your prices and start offering bigger packages. This is a fantastic way to get your foot in the door. Next up, we have our second side hustle, AI voiceover services. The demand for quality voiceovers is exploding. Just think about all the YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and online advertisements you hear every day. Traditionally, getting a professional voiceover meant hiring a voice actor and booking expensive studio time. Not anymore. With revolutionary AI tools like 11 Labs and Murph AI, you can create stunningly realistic, human-like voiceovers in any style, gender, or language with just a few clicks. You don't need a deep, booming radio voice or a professional microphone. You don't even need to record your own voice at all. The process is incredibly simple. You just type or paste the script into the AI platform, choose a voice you like, and the AI generates a high-quality audio file for you. You can even clone your own voice or create entirely new, unique, synthetic voices. The possibilities are mind-blowing. So how do you monetize this? Again, Fiverr and Upwork are your best friends. You can offer services like high-quality AI voiceover for your YouTube video or professional AI voice for your podcast intro. Another brilliant strategy is to start your own faceless YouTube channel. You can create content in niches like history, science, or scary stories where the visuals are stock footage or animations, and the narration is a compelling AI voice. It's simple, it's highly scalable, and it's a service that is in huge demand as we head into 2025. Our third side hustle is one of my personal favorites, AI video generation. Video content is king. It dominates every social media platform, and businesses know they need video to capture their audience's attention. But creating professional-looking videos has always been a major hurdle. It requires filming, editing, and technical skills that most small business owners just don't have. But AI is completely changing the game. Tools like Pika Labs, Runway, and HeyGen are making video creation accessible to everyone. These platforms can turn a simple text prompt into a dynamic video clip. You can create animated explainers, eye-catching social media ads, or engaging reels and TikToks without ever touching a camera. For example, a local restaurant might need a short, snappy promo video for their Instagram. You can use AI to generate clips of delicious-looking food, add some animated text, and pair it with upbeat music. You've just created a valuable marketing asset for them in minutes, not days. To make money with this, position yourself as a fast, affordable video solution for small businesses. Go on freelancing platforms and offer specific packages like, I will create 3 short AI promo videos for your social media. You can easily charge $20 to $50 per clip, and since the AI does most of the heavy lifting, your profit margins can be fantastic. You're not just selling a video, you're selling speed, affordability, and results. Coming in at number 4 is AI graphic and logo design. Every business needs a visual identity. They need a logo, social media graphics, flyers, and posters. In the past, this meant hiring a graphic designer, which could be expensive and slow. Now, with AI image generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and even Canva's AI tools, you can create stunning, professional quality graphics and logos in seconds. The best part is, you don't have to be a naturally gifted artist or a design guru. Your creativity now lies in your ability to write effective prompts. You can tell the AI exactly what you want. Create a minimalist logo for a coffee shop with a line art coffee bean and the color palette of warm brown and cream. The AI will generate multiple options for you to choose from and refine. Many small businesses or startups just need simple, clean visuals for their social media ads, their first website, or a quick rebrand. You can be the one to deliver those visuals in minutes. You can package your services on freelance sites by offering things like a 5 social media graphics designed with AI or modern AI logo concept for your brand. This is a service where you can deliver incredible value very quickly. You're leveraging the power of AI to handle the creative heavy lifting while you focus on understanding the client's needs and delivering a final result they love. Finally, our 5th hustle is AI-powered research and automation services. This might sound complex, but it's actually one of the most practical and useful services you can offer. In today's information age, everyone is drowning in data. Businesses have articles to read, reports to analyze, and spreadsheets to manage. It's overwhelming, and that's where you and your AI assistant come in. Using tools you probably already know, like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or even AI plugins for Google Sheets and Excel, you can help businesses and individuals become more organized and efficient. You can offer services that save them precious time. For instance, you could offer a gig like, I will summarize 10 long blog posts into key bullet points using AI, or I will help you automate your weekly sales report using an AI spreadsheet formula. These are small, incredibly useful tasks that clients are more than willing to pay for. Think of yourself as an AI efficiency consultant. You're not just performing a task, you're solving a problem. The problem of having too much information and not enough time. Depending on the complexity, these gigs can earn you anywhere from $15 to over $100 per client. It's all about finding those repetitive, time-consuming tasks that AI can do better and faster. So there you have it. 5 AI side hustles perfect for beginners in 2025. AI content creation, AI voiceovers, AI video generation, AI graphic design, and AI research and automation. Each of these can be started with little to no money, and you definitely don't need any prior experience. The key is to just start. Pick one that excites you, learn a free AI tool, and put up your first gig on a freelance platform. Start small, deliver great work, and stay consistent. You will see results faster than you think. Remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to empower us, to give us superpowers that allow us to work smarter, not harder. It's leveling the playing field, creating opportunities for anyone willing to learn and adapt. Now I want to hear from you. Which side hustle will you start first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm excited to see what you'll build. If you got value from this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and join the Hustle Tech Daily family for more weekly AI income tips and tech strategies. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep hustling smart.